Let's create. So this is a yellowfin tuna. See how nice looking it is? This is wild caught. In other words, it's not from a farm. It was fish. It's fresh, and it's a yellowfin tuna. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it up a little bit, spin out the refrigerator for maybe 40 minutes because I don't want it. I want it at room temperature so the heat transfer goes smoothly. Now you have two options. You can put a little bit of salt, pepper, or you just can cook it and have the pure wild taste. And this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to skip the salt and pepper. I just going for the wild taste. So I have a pan, small one, see I can feel my hand, in high heat. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use a little bit, not a lot, just a tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil. You cannot go wrong with that. A little bit of unsalted butter. And I'm going to get ready for the tuna. And I'm only going to do, and this is a thick tuna by the way. So I'm going to do, and I'm going visual, but I'm timing stuff out. Maybe about a minute or two in one side. And repeat the process in the other. I did 1 minute. Going to turn it around. If I would have put pepper, it would have had that nice looking dark color. Lower the heat to medium. Put in a little bit of lemon. It's been a minute, so I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to let it rest for a little bit. Here's the tuna. See how nice and red it's in the middle. Cook on the outside. Once again, you gotta cook it with some pepper and salt to darken it more. Different taste. I want it because it's wild caught. I wanted to taste the tuna. I do have some what they call microgreens, slice of lemon, some baby dill, and my avocado, which I peel.